In this video, we will go over something very important, how to put on PPE or personal protective equipment. If you dental assistant, hygienist or dentist, using PPE correct way will keep you and your patients safe. Let's go through it step by step. Please watch this video till the end, because at the end I want to show my best trick how to put gloves on wet or sweaty hands. Before touching any PPE, start with proper hand hygiene. Wash your hands with soap and water for at least 20 seconds, or use an alcohol-based hand sanitizer. Next, put on your gown. Make sure it covers your torso from neck